welcome back. Today's video is about Indian Army NCC Special Entry for 2021. The details you can find it in the description box if you want to read it on your own. Or you can also head over to our website Freshers Now and you can get all of the details at one place itself. Don't forget to join us to Telegram because you will get regular job updates. Link is provided in the description box. Click on it and join us directly. This special entry is especially for unmarried male and female candidates. Through the official notification, we are going to check all on the details. This is NCC's special entry scheme for the 51st course and for short service commission for both men and women if you want to join the army. And this is only for unmarried male and female candidates, only if you fulfill the eligibility criteria. This is divided into two sections. First is all of those who have NCC certificate, and second is all of those who are from the background of any battle survivors or anyone who is missing. All of those who are from this background, those do not need any of the NCCC certificates. So according to these three criteria, we are going to see the eligibility conditions. First, nationality. Either citizen of India, subject of Nepal, person from Indian origin, any from these countries, but make sure that you are having authorized nationality certificate from the government of India. Age limit for all the NCC candidates, which includes all the battle casualties as well. It is 25 years of age. Birth dates are given here. And next is education qualifications. This is for NCCC certificate holders. Education requirement is a degree with minimum 50% of marks. If you are in your final year, also those are eligible to apply. Final year, final semester also you can apply, but make sure you are having prior 50% in the previous semesters. And you should make sure that you are completing your degree course and producing your documents at the time of the interview. If you are not able to give in your documents, then your application will be rejected. Service in NCC should be minimum 2 to 3 years in a senior division wing of NCC. Next, you should at least have a B grade in your NCCC certificate. And qualified graduates from a degree course, make sure you get certified by 1st of April 2022. If you are having exams after April 2022, then you are not eligible to apply. And candidates who are in your final year, make sure you are inducting your additional bond basis, and you have to make sure that you are submitting all the relevant documents at the time of the interview. Next is for the wards of the battle casualties. Eligibility is killed in action, died of wounds, missing or wounded or injured. These can have degree certificate, 50% of marks, and NCCC certificate is not required, as I mentioned already. But instead of that, you have to attach the battle casualty certificate, which is issued, authorizedly issued. The vacancies for NCC men are 50, where 45 is for general, 5 is for battle casualties. For women, there are 5, 4 for general, and remaining 1 vacancy is for the army personnel. Terms and conditions, it's going to be for 14 years. Initial period of it's going to be for 10 years. Further, it's going to be extended. And make sure during this period, probation period is going to be for 6 months, and termination is going to be accordingly, because if you are not in service properly rendering your services, misconduct, or if medically not fit, all of that will lead to termination. Liability is going to be for 37 years for women and 40 years for men, whichever is earlier. This duration of training is going to be for 49 weeks in Chennai OTA, and selected candidates should not marry in between the training period. Any of those who are marrying will be discharged. Next, cost of the training is going to be 12,000 per week. It is going to be the expense of the government. If you are going to withdraw in the middle, you have to repay. Eligibility criteria or the promotion criteria is going to be according to the rank wise. So for lieutenant, it's going to be on commission basis. For captain, it's going to be after the completion of 2 years. So likewise, pay also. It's going to be start from 56,000 to 1,77,000 respectively. And from here, you can check all of the allowances. If you want to read the details of allowances, you can check the link from the description, which will open the same page. So you can check it. These are all the allowances which you are going to get, and for according to the rank again. So moving forward, we will be heading over to the important section of the notification, is how to apply. Applications will be accepted only through online from the official website, which is given here. Click on officer entry login. So first you register yourself, after that you start applying and attach all the relevant documents from ID proofs to NCC certificates, experience, everything you have to make sure that you are putting down, and then you have to submit. If there are any spelling mistakes, or if there are any mistakes in your application, or if there is any incompleteness in your application, if your documents are not clear, then your application will be rejected. So very clearly, CGPA grades must be converted into marks. Do not convert them into round off your marks. Always print your applications before you submit. So put all the application form and the original documents ready for the document verification. Your admit cards, all of that will be released in the official website itself, and all of these are general instructions that you have to follow. The selection procedure, first is there is going to be a shortlisting. After that, you will have an SSB selection interview. There will be no change of the venue or date or time for the SSB interview. You have to attend it, failing which you will be again disqualified. You can check the official website time to time for all of the latest information and also the medical standards that the candidate should fulfill. Traveling allowances will be provided, and towards the end, we can see the important date again. Online application starts from 5th, closes on 3rd of November 2021. Further queries in the comment section. Subscribe and thank you for watching.